Blackheads build up easily week after week. That's why I use the Pore Blackhead Remover Vacuum Pore Cleanser. Moving it in one steady direction, it maintains the suction on my skin. It removes my blackheads, grease, dirt, and makeup residue, making my skin feel healthier and younger. There are 4 interchangeable attachments for customized professional skincare needs. The diamond dermabrasion attachment is used for facial skin polishing. It's like bringing a beauty salon to your home without the expense. The mist spray can be filled with hot or cold water. This helps soften my skin and prepare my skin for treatment. It opens up my pores, breaks up dirt, and loosens other impurities within my skin. Using the Hydro Mist Spray daily helps my skin restore natural hydration levels. Reduce wrinkles and acne with a Pore Blackhead Remover Vacuum Pore Cleanser for fresher, younger looking skin.